In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a jump starter with air compressor. And just looking over the box here, this is set up for a car, a motorcycle, a bicycle, and a ball. And I will test it out on a car and just open it up here. You know what? You got a bag and a box. Pretty decent little box. I like these boxes. This will fit up under a car seat, a trunk of a car, maybe in the back of a truck or something like that. So opening it up, you can see it has the hose up top. That is the airline. Oh, I like that. That's probably 2.5 feet. I like it when they put a long airline like that. A little set of instructions, USB-C cable for charging. And then right here, this looks like it's a ball needle and maybe a pull float or something like that. It looks like some of it came out of it right here. Oh, a Presta valve. So that's made for a Schrader valve to Presta valve. And this right here is another pull float. We won't need those. Right here is the battery hookup. So it has that battery hookup with light on there. I will test this out. You can see the instructions on the back of that. Then the unit itself, wow, that is so thin and compact, everybody. That is very impressive on how thin and compact they have that. So this is your basic type air nozzle right here. You just put it on, squeeze it down like that. That's pretty simple. This is also a power bank. Let's see if we have a charge on it. We do. We do have a charge. Actually, mine came fully charged. It looks like it's in bar, so you can change it from bicycle. There's ball, car, bike, motorcycle, and then over here you got KPA, KGCM, PSI, which is where I want to be at, and then you can raise it. So first off, let me go ahead and blow up my car tire and see how this thing is as an air compressor. Screw this in. This looks pretty simple. You just basically screw that into the power bank. By the way, this will go up to 150 PSI as far as like max, so you could basically do like a transfer trailer truck. So I don't know how well you can see it, but it's got a very nice display. It's got 31 PSI. Sounds like we got a chopper coming over. He's coming to check out the air compressor. So what I'm gonna do, I wanna go up to 40. So let's go ahead and start it and let this thing run. See how quickly it goes. Hold this button down right there, and there's a little flashlight, little LED light. That way you could find out where you need to go. So what I would do, I would just set this thing down like this. I love the design of this thing. Let's see if it stops on 40. By the way, my tires can go up as high as 51. These are pretty big tires. And it's wintertime. I usually run a little more air in the wintertime, and I got a little weight on there. Stop right on 40. This thing works great, everybody. Oh, get off of there. That's it. We have 40 pounds in this tire. I'm going to put 40 pounds in the other tire. Then we'll hook up the jump starter. I don't have a dead battery. I'm not going to run my battery out just for a video, but you know what? I will hook it up to my battery and see what it does. Now let's go ahead and let's use the function for cranking off a car. So what I'm going to do, let's just go ahead, open this up. It looks like you've got a port right here. Plug in there. And the red goes on the positive, just like that. And then the black will go on the negative, just like that. So as soon as I plug it in there, what happened was the green light came up telling me that it's ready to boost. Now this is a good battery, so it's got full charge. I don't need to boost it off, but I just want to show you guys what happens when you plug it in. So technically it's ready to go right now. That'll work just fine right there as a booster. I see no issue at all with that. Let's go ahead and let's try it as charging some batteries. So also this thing is a power bank, which is a 12,000 milliamp power bank, and it's a 4,000 amperage for cranking. I think it said it can crank up to an 8-liter diesel. So as soon as I turn the power on, you can see my little camera batteries are charging right there. See how there's 2 green and 1 red. So this is a 12,000 milliamp power bank. Also, that is very handy. Everybody, this is something I recommend for anyone that's just needing to have a compressor, an air compressor for a flat tire, or a jumper box like me, because you know what? Booster cables only do you so good if you got another vehicle around. So good luck finding that. You just pull one of these out, hook it up, and go. Or for anyone else that you see stranded, you could usually just boost them off and not have to open your hood, get everything going and all that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the air compressor jumper box power bank. See y'all in the next video.